Industrial IoT can revolutionize the manufacturing industry by connecting with any machinery and adding intelligence to it. Industry 4.0 is all about transforming the existing manufacturing operations into a digital operating model, with modern technologies such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, machine learning, and so on. Traditional manufacturing can be turned into smart manufacturing with modern technology and industry-proven process capabilities. Adopting smart manufacturing helps industrial enterprises to improve productivity, reduce the cost, get wider visibility of the production, improve product quality, and much more. SFactrix is the smart manufacturing solution that empowers manufacturing industries in monitoring production with the help of visual metrics. SFactrix application provides graphical metrics of OEE, runtime versus downtime, availability loss versus performance loss, quality versus scrap, and many more. The SFactrix Operator app is a machine operator-friendly app to instantly capture the asset status and report performance. Jumpstart your digital manufacturing today. You're one step away from achieving Industry 4.0. Choose smart. Get smart with any of our solutions. Get started today.